It's a freezing rain kind of day here in Ottawa. Started last night. Just woke up about 20 minutes ago. Went and got my Timmy, so it's in the Jeep waiting for us. But Riley said, "Come on, Mom, I need to go for a pee too." So I thought, you know what? Let's just videotape this crunchy snow in Ontario. This is just in behind the Walmart that I sometimes fall asleep at. It's a nice little spot for Riley to come and do her thing. Oh, talking about doing things, there we go. Foggy, rainy. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Just a minute, Mom, get picked. Okay. Now this is a little tricky. I think I'm just going to have to pause. Riley, hold on, please. There we go. Okay, Roo. Hey, monkey, over here. Ooh, sleepy. Yeah, I'm not going that way, chum. Let's cut through here. I got my big boots on. Good for the snow. Riley, up here. Come on, baby. Oh, look at rabbit tracks. And those would be the raven. Raven's coming underneath the tree to stay out of the freezing rain. Oh, that's pretty darn smart of those buggers. Look at them all. I don't know if you can actually see. There you go. Okay, raven tracks. Little birds. But they're all over under here. All under the boughs just over there. Now that's some smart blackbirds. Ravens, and they know where to go from the freezing rain. Come on, rock and roll. Oh, hold on, she's gonna get me all tangled up. Boop, boop. Pretty old trees, just melting. Just so pretty. Come on, Riley. Let's go back to the Jeep where it's drier. Let's go home. Come here. Come here. Put the poop in here. There we go. All right, I know you don't like the rain. Let's get back to the Jeep. Come on. I'm actually pulling her because she does not like the water. Come on, big girl. Go back to the Jeep. Come on. You got it. It's hard to walk too. There's home. Come on, good girl. Just sliding. That's it, baby. Come on. Okay. Oops. Fix this like this. Hey, Rye, mommy, open up the truck. Oops, that's locked. Open. Say unlock the doghouse, Mama. We go. Here, sweet. Come here. Over here. Come here. Ready? Jump. Jump. Good girl. Okay, stand. You don't like that water on you, do you? No. No, Mom, I don't. There we go. Woohoo! All right, get in the house. There it goes there. So you see these colorful watermelons? Oh, they're seat cushions that I picked up at the local Dollar Tree. And they make great insulating factors. So I gotta get a few more. And then I'm gonna shape these into the windows, to the black stuff. I've got only one over there. I need another one, and then I'll need 2 for my front window and 2 for the other front window, that passenger side. I'll push the bed up so you can see out here. Don't get the bed wet. Come here, come here, come here. Thank you. Close the bed because you're going to get it all wet with your wet feet. There we go. I think I got it. There. Alrighty. Okay. Head on back. I'll go inside the other way. Tuck that up. Food. There's the dog food from the OSPCA. And I got my camp stove. Got some wet food for Ryelee. Some more wet food. My extra butane. 3 more here. 1/2 and the 3/4. And let's close that down. What you looking at? Okay. What's you looking at there, girl? Alrighty there, pretty girl. Back up. Can close the door. Look at this freezing rain. Oh dear. It's almost like a Tyrell coating. Mother Nature style. Nice ripple. I'll even throw in sound effects. Oh. So today is a day off. Let's see inside. Got my winter jacket ready for the nice cold weather. Hi, Ray. Mommy come in the house? Yeah. Come on in the house, Mom. And we'll just pop down into my little lounge chair living room. Oh, yes. I'll get you situated here. Hold on, I'll just get you situated. Here. Oh. Get my ass in here. Oh, she's a little bit damp. I'll take off that wet layer. Keys. Where did my other mitten go? Oh, 1. Found it. So, there's my axe. I slide my mitts on top of my axe. Easy to find. Quick access. Just mitts, socks, things like that just seem to poof, disappear. And I have that right down beside my driver's seat. Oh, yeah. Wet, damp. Oh. Go. You get kind of good positioning the seat down low and back to give you room to move around and change, get dressed, take your jackets off, what have you. Now that one, I'm just going to toss her on the dash. Hey Roo, how's that? Take a little drink of water. Mommy's got to fill up the water jugs today. So this is typically kind of what my day is. I'll get up in the morning, grab my coffee, come back to the parking lot at Walmart or wherever, whatever parking lot I'm at. Take Ryelee a walk for a 10-15 minute walk around. Well, it's shorter today. Usually it's longer. There you go, girl. And she'll do her thing. Then I can get back to the Jeep, home, and do our thing. So good morning, Saturday, day off in Ottawa. Canine Mama inside the doghouse. That's my official name for her now. When people call their vehicle certain things, I haven't had a name for her. I was thinking a bunch of different names. And it was like people talking to me and saying, well, your dog's in there. And I'm like, yeah, it's the biggest doghouse ever. And that just kind of resonated. And I went, I'm a weirdo. Why not? I'm living in the doghouse. This is just so ironic. Anyhow, that was my morning crazy thing. Before I had coffee, I had that thought. I'm going to call my Jeep the doghouse. So welcome to Canine Mama in the doghouse with Ryelee and Timmy's coffee. Why am I so happy? Because life is good. When you are actually living life instead of surviving life and in such a routine rut of getting up, going to work, come home, you're just everything is schedulized. Now I'm a nomad by necessity, not by choice. It was by necessity. And it's a couple weeks and it'll be a year. I'm slapping myself for why didn't I do this sooner? Why didn't I invest in a van instead of getting my Jeep? Why? But now I know. You gotta live in something first. Whether it's a car, a cardboard box. You need to live in something and realize what you need. What kind of minimalism you can actually live with. Are you comfortable, for a female, peeing in a pot? It was an extra large dog bowl, okay? Yeah, one of those ones you can snap on the inside of a dog cage. Let me see if you can see that there. Dang it, it's big enough for my butt. And it's deep enough. And when you prop yourself up and you put that under, and you go to the bathroom, right here on my steering wheel is my toilet paper, on my windshield wiper. Fits right on there. Roll her down. Take care of it. You lift up, use the other hand to pull it up because there's more room on that side. I learned that the very first time. Thank God I had a coffee cup because just a few drops came out. And then you sit, you're dry. You pull this out, you put this down here in the center. You pull up your pants, you sit down. Then I open what I call my septic tank. It's a deep thing. There's a little bit of last night's coffee in there. It's got to be, I think it's 4 liters anyways, but it's this, how do I do that to the camera? About 4 inches wide, probably about 8 inches deep, and it fits right inside another little plastic container I have as a barrier. And then I've got, after I've done my duty, I spray it with a disinfectant spray. Paper towel, clean her out, and it's sanitized and ready for the next time. As a minimalist, I can live with that. It is convenient, it is handy, it is sanitized, so it's clean, and it's me. And then I put this doggy pad inside to brace the water dish of Ryelee. In case when I'm driving, you might hit a bump. If some spills out, that doggy pad absorbs it. So I don't have a water mess there. That goes in there. Bathroom. Number 1, taken care of. Number 2 is usually over at Timmy's. That'll be next. So that's taken care of. A little tidbit of how I do the thing in the Jeep. I have my wet wipes beside me. I have a whole bunch of, let me see if I can just get you turned around here. Not sure if I can do it. But okay, underneath there, I have a little blue container that has juices, wipes, bread. Can you see the juices there? Yeah, you can see the juices in my 5 Alives. My tarp, my beard. Some quick snacks. So I've got like trail mix, 2 bags of that, some beans and some sugar from the coffee, and some containers that I had some food in. And then my winter jacket, the top of the hat for the winter jacket. Here's my clean clothes that we just did yesterday at my son's. Thank you, son. That was a beautiful. Was able to have my shower. Got warmed up because that was like a half an hour shower in the heat. Tell ya, oh, right to the bones core. I almost baked the muscle that was on my body. It was so nice. And this is what I did for my birthday a couple weeks back. This gray hair went pink. Well, now, because it's just a temporary, eh? So the gray's starting to come back through, but it kind of looks like shimmery pink. Weirdo, you know it. And got my Olympic hat, 2022 Olympics. That's the style, basic, completely Canadian. Any year, any time you want. And coffee. Day in the life of a nomad, shortened down. This is going to be a long video. I better pause for a moment. Well, instead of making it a long video about nothing to me talking on my day off, I just want to wish you all the best. Have a great day. Stay safe out there because the roads are slippery, and we've got that freezing rain basically all day today, Saturday, December the 11th. Welcome to Canine Mama in the doghouse with Ryelee, and we're just happy. We've already been doing our things. I want you all to do your thing today. See you next time. Hopefully we have a bit better weather to be outside in. Ciao for now, everyone. Love yous.